In line with Edo State government plan to improve security for the state and come tighten security for the Ember month wey dey come so, Commissioner for Police Abutu Yaro don hold meeting with Nigerian Union of Journalists, Nigeria Bar Association and other Ogbonge stakeholders for security matter for Edo State. You go remember say Governor Godwin Obaseki, Commissioner for Police Abutu Yaro and other security chiefs for Edo State do emergency meeting for the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State to improve security for these areas. The security meeting wey happen for Saturday for police officers mess for Benin City dey in line with government plan to involve security agents and relevant stakeholders for security matter for the state. Abutu Yaro come tok say the meeting na to yarn the stakeholders on the matter of security for Edo State, especially as the last quarter of the year dey come. E come throway salute give the government for the state for their ogbonge support to tackle matter for security, say as e be so dem don place CCTV cameras for strategic location for the state, say the government don give dem new vehicles wey go help dem do their work wella. E come tok say as the Ember month dey come so, say kilikili tiffy people go wan take advantage of this period, say the police don tanda Gidigba to tackle dem. E come call other ogbonge stakeholders make dem join body with dem.
We call for this dialogue as a continuation of the stakeholders' engagement in security discourse in Edo State. This platform was opened on the 7th of May this year, when the then acting governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, called for security stakeholders in Edo State for us to interact and analyze the trend in security and profile new ideas and new thinking. Thereafter, the State Security Council moved over to Edo North, and we held interactive session with stakeholders of Edo North, chairman by the governor of Edo State on that particular occasion. Later, we moved to Edo Central. We held a similar one. Then we held another one in Edo South, in the government house. And today is the turn of a similar stakeholders engagement of members of CLO, Edo Security Network, the Nigerian Bar Association, and Nigerian Union of Journalists. Since they are all critical stakeholders in Edo State, they were briefed about what we are doing, about what we need to improve on, about what we intend to do, especially with the coming end of the year engagements towards Christmas, which always create atmosphere of higher criminality. The preparation for Ember Month has been escalated by the innovation brought in by our governor. In the last 2 weeks, the governor provided 12 operational vehicles to the Nigerian Police Edo State Command. And the vision of the governor is to ensure that all police division in Edo State, we are 58 in number, at least they have a minimum of 1 vehicle, operational vehicle. That has been provided. Some are having 4. That measure alone is one of the cardinal elements of the preparation for Ember Month. Besides that, the state government provided 20,000 liters of fuel for operational activities of the police and equal 20,000 quantity of diesel for police operations. So we are ready, willing, and capable of doing the needful to secure Edo State. The resolution is that all stakeholders should support Edo State Police Command to actualize this mandate of securing Edo and making it to be more peaceful, and urging us to fight violent crimes and criminality, especially kidnapping and violent cultism.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.